Hey everybody, welcome to the 18th of June. I am Connor with Honor. This is going to be your quick real estate update for Santa Clarita Valley. We have been watching as the seller's market just continues. We do have this as far as the last 7 days of activity. And again, I do this every day, so feel free to check us out. SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com is that main system that you can access. All right, so we have 16 properties that are coming soon, getting ready to hit the Santa Clarita market. We do have 79 new properties that enter the market this week as new listings. That is actually great news for buyers because it definitely gives buyers more buying options. However, currently there are a lot of buyers, so the competition rate is high, even with the additional options. Price changes, we had 50 price adjustments this last 7 days. That is not unusual at this time. We are watching as real estate sellers are trying to find that sweet spot to price their property. A lot of them are going with agents that might be giving them a little bit too high of an expectation with regard to what they can expect. You should look at those comparable values and find out exactly which properties line up with yours and then make those adjustments and then establish that price. Try not to base that listing price on emotion or trying to beat or compete other listings that might be active for sale that are sitting on the market not moving either. Things to consider. All right, so back on market properties. We had 19 homes that came back on the market in Santa Clarita. That's not an unusual number. That is very common. Active under contract, we have 31 properties that have gone into escrow. 49 properties went deeper into escrow. And again, this week we had 60 properties that actually sold and completed escrow. So we have congratulations in order for those new home owners. We had 7 listings expired, 6 canceled, 11 put on hold, 2 have withdrawn as well. Now, these numbers are statistically important for both buyers and sellers, and what I'm trying to get at is a buyer needs to know where the market is currently so they can understand if somebody, a professional or whomever, might be trying to take advantage of them. For example, if somebody is telling you in a market that's very, very slow, nothing's moving, that you need to hurry quickly, they need to justify what hurry quickly would mean in that type of market. Very simple example. If somebody is coming to your house and they're telling you that your house is worth X amount of dollars and this is where they're going to list it for sale, but your preliminary research, which I know everybody does, your preliminary research as far as your house value came in a lot less than what that agent's saying. That's something else to explore as to maybe why that might be the reason. Now, people in my industry typically aren't out there to mislead people, but people in my industry do have an interest in you utilizing their services professionally as far as real estate is concerned. I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready, check out SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. You'll be able to see all of the listings there that are currently actively for sale. There is no registration required. I do not force that on anybody. And it is a local system. So when you go to utilize it, you will see exactly what's currently on the market for sale. And it does update every several minutes with the new listings. Plus, the nice thing about it is your personal information, that privacy that we all like from time to time, and some of us more than others, that is priceless. So you'll be able to go to a system where even if you ask for further information, the person giving you that information is the person you're listening and watching right now. That is I. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you so much for checking me out and looking at this video. The market information is very important for you to understand. Let me know how I can help you in the future. Be well. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.